Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Fashom. I'm very excited about this. Fashom is one of my most favorite clothing services. Fashom is a clothing service, so you can request a box. You can do it on the app or on their website. Fashom is a clothing service. You are able to request a box from them, and they will send you an email letting you know that your stylist has picked a few pieces for you to select from to have shipped to you. So I'm going to pop up here on the screen my choices that they sent me, and then I'm going to show you what I had shipped to me. So I asked that they send me some summer pieces. We are about to start our travel season here, and I needed some nice, cute, summery pieces for a cruise coming up. So that's what is in this box. It is $15 a box. If you click on my link below, I get $10 and you get $10, but your first two boxes are shipped to you without a styling fee. And then after that, it's $15 a box that is credited towards anything you purchase in the box. Shipping is free both ways. And there you go. They do exchanges as well. So here is my bundle. Yay. Oh, such beautiful colors. Here's my return envelope, which you place your items in here. You need to return or exchange. Place them right in here and put them in your mailbox. You do get an envelope, and their hashtag is better as I am. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. And on this card is your instructions on how to handle your box and what you do next and that type of thing. And also in here is your invoice and your note from your stylist, which we will read very quickly. Hi Favor, welcome back to Styling with Fashom. In this box I have selected an outfit for you consisting of fun and trendy clothing items that will be great new additions to your spring and vacation wardrobe. Sorry I had to change the crossover V-neck to blue instead of the red because of defect our team found on that piece. Excellent. I hope you enjoy my picks, and I know you will rock these styles. Your stylist, Morgan. Excellent. Oh wow, the total price of everything in this box is $150. That is excellent. With Fashom, you only need to buy 3 items to receive a discount, and that discount is 25% for 3 items, purchasing of 3 items. Beautiful Fashom sticker. Let's open this. Now I do know what's in here because I was able to select the items, so I'm very excited. I really was excited about this. It's a dress. Isn't that cute? Little striped dress. This collar line I will not, for the try on you're going to see my bra, but that's okay. I do have a bra that is suitable for this, but I'm not going to put it on today. This is lined. This is really nice. It's lined on the inside. This is by Middo Shop Pinstripe Cutout Woven Dress, medium in an ivory for $45. Really cute. Super cute. My only problem with this is it's a wrinkly material, so if I have to pack it in a suitcase, it might be odd. It might wrinkle. There's pockets. Oh, there's pockets. Oh, pockets. Gotta love pockets, especially as a vlogger when I travel. Nice pocket to put my cell phone in or stow the camera for a moment or two. There we go. Okay. I'm putting this in the box right here, right next to me. Oh, this is so pretty. Again, another material that might wrinkle, but this is Naked Zebra. Naked Zebra, Remy, ruffle sleeve top, medium, soft sage, $37. This is so pretty. My dogs are whining all around me. Sorry about that. So, so pretty. That's another thing. Fashom donates to a local animal shelter, which of course I truly appreciate. You guys, this top is soft. What is this? It feels like... where's the tag? Let's find what. 100% polyester, but wow, is it soft. Super soft. Okay, really like that. That may need something underneath it. Now this is the dress. She's talking about sending something in red. I don't see anything in red in here. Maybe they were able, I thought that's what she was talking about was this. I don't know. I love this. I think it's so pretty. Great for formal night, nice and easy to wear. I love this bright blue. Naked Zebra sleeveless shift dress, medium capri blue, $45. Can you please be quiet? There we go. I like that. I love that blue. Really love the blue. Okay, and this top, I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about this, but I wanted her to send it anyway. Sorry about that. I had to get them out of the room. She doesn't understand when I talk to the camera and she gets fussy. She's, what are you doing? Anyway, okay, so this one is really cute. It's a little shorter than I wear, but the crisscross here in the front is what I'm not fond of, and there's no closure. So we'll see. I'm definitely gonna try it on. It's really cute. It's very soft. It is, this is by Crossover V neckline with tied detail, medium, red plaid floral. Maybe that's what she's talking about, but this, oh, okay, it was supposed to be pink and she sent it in blue. Now I get it. Okay, this is $30. So there we go. All right, now I understand what she was talking about. And lastly, a pair of jeans. These are size 29. Oh wow, the rough hem here at the edge. Just black slim straight jeans, 29, dark denim, $43. There we go. What is size 29? Is that 8? Let me look. Yeah, it's an 8. I am now down into a 6, but there may be a reason they sent me an 8. Maybe these run small. I don't know. So there we go. These are a straight leg crop. Really cute. I did ask for some jeans. So there we go. All right, let's see. Now, you have seen me try everything on. Now I'm actually gonna go try everything on, and I'll be right back for the recap. Okay, so I love this dress. I love it. I'm keeping this dress. Really, really like it. Although it is a bit of a wrinkly material, that's okay. I can wear it on the ship, or I can wear it to wherever I'm going. I just really like it. It's nice and lightweight. It is lined, but it's not sheer, so I don't need to wear anything underneath it. And I have this little jacket that I picked up from Amazon that is absolutely perfect to go with it. Lightweight, easy little blazer. Love it. I'll leave the jacket linked below because I'm telling you, you need this jacket. $20. It's inexpensive, but this is not a business jacket. This is for casual. This is for, you know, lightweight, throw in your bag to travel, whatever. This is not to wear to work. It's not that, well, maybe, I don't know, you decide. Order it and see. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the jeans. The jeans are too long for me. If you look at the picture, these are supposed to be cropped, and they are full length on me. So, no. So I'm gonna go ahead and send them back. They are cute. They looked cute, but I just really didn't like the cut. And they were a little big, ever so slightly. I would want to size down in them if I were going to keep them, just because they're not gonna fit for that much longer. But they're cute. I kind of like them. I'm not a big fan of the straight leg. Wide. This is a wide straight leg, so but I do want to keep trying some straight leg jeans. I do want to keep trying them. These are just not them, and again, they're supposed to be cropped, but they're full length on me. So there you go. I'm 5'3", so which isn't that short, or maybe it is. I don't know. My husband says I'm really short. I don't know. There we go. Okay. This dress, I don't know how I feel about this dress. I like it, but I don't like it. You know, do you have those days where you're just not sure how you feel about it? They sent me in my last fashion box a top in this color, and I love it. I love the color, but I'm just not sure that I actually need two dresses. I am keeping this one. I really think this is a pretty color and a pretty dress, but I don't know. I don't know. It's a great price point. So the jeans are $43, which is great, and the dress is $45, which, excellent. I mean, it's by Naked Zebra. It's great. Okay, there's that. This top, I really like this top. I think it's a beautiful color. I think it's a beautiful top. It's very soft. It's very silky. But to wear it, I'm going to need to wear something underneath it, and it's too hot to do that in Texas. It's too hot. It's fine for spring. This would be a great spring top, but I really like my spring tops to carry me through summer. So I don't know. I may not. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not, but I really like it. Really do like it. And this top, the box is down here. They're not on the floor. This top is a no-go for me. I just didn't like it. It didn't sit right. It didn't gap. it didn't gap. Even if I leaned, well, it did, but the one side was fitted enough that it didn't give anybody a peep show. So there you go. It is really, really cute, but I just don't think it lays right on me. The front part just wasn't my favorite. But this dress I'm keeping for sure. I'm not real sure about the bright blue dress. Maybe, maybe not. So the total of the box is $200. The 25% discount for buying 3 pieces or more is $50. So the total is $150 for 5 pieces in this box. I think that's great. I think the price point of Fashom is excellent. I really appreciate it. You can set your price point. If you want more luxury items, you can ask for them. That's perfectly fine. So there you go. All right. Well, I hope you'll give Fashom a try. I will leave my link below. I will also leave a link directly to Fashom where you can go and sign up and enjoy trying a box yourself. So there you go. Yeah, very excited. Love it. Absolutely love it. I love Fashom. I love that they send me really beautiful pieces that are easy. And my go-tos, most of my closet is filled with Fashom, so there you go. And a lot of pieces I'm traveling with, so yeah. So I think next time I'm gonna ask for some shorts. We'll see if we can do shorts and, you know, more summer tops. I don't need any more dresses. This will fill me up. I don't need any more. And I'm gonna have to decide about that blue dress. Really, I'm not sure. So there you go. But this one is for sure staying with me. So there you go. I hope you'll give Fashom a try. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.